Today, we will go over how to install Torklift truck camper tie downs for your Dodge. Start by removing the 3 factory bolts from the driver's side hitch mounting plate. Next, insert 2 factory bolts through the 2 forwardmost holes in the driver's side tie-down receiver. Place a 5/8" flat washer over each factory bolt after inserting it through the tie-down plate. Insert the last factory bolt to the rearwardmost bolt hole without a washer. Use the 1/2" hex bolt to connect the back tie-down receiver plate to the back of the hitch mounting plate. Insert the 1/2" bolt through the star washer and flat washer. Secure with a 1" by 2" plate washer, lock washer, and 1/2" nut. Tighten and torque up the hardware to the correct foot-pounds stated in your instruction booklet and you're good to go. Slide your insert into the receiver and secure it down with the clip and pin. Repeat the previous steps for the passenger side tie-down receiver.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.